This is question number 2 of homework 5, problem 7-3. Stock is currently selling for $70 per share. A call option with an exercise price of $74 sells for $3.50 and expires in 3 months. If the risk-free rate of the interest rate is 3% per year compounded continuously, what is the price of a put option with the same exercise price? So here we need to use the so-called put-call parity to solve out the price of a put option. So if you check my lecture slides or the book, you will find out that the put-call parity is like this. So P plus S equals C plus exponential function and raised to the power of negative R. R here is the risk-free interest rate compounded continuously, and T here is the maturity of the option, and T is quoted in years, and times the exercise price. And P here is the price of the put option, and S is the price of the underlying stock, and C is the price of the call option, and E is the exercise price. So from that, we can solve out P equals C plus E raised to the power of negative R times T, and then times the exercise price minus the stock price. So we can simply use this this formula to solve out the. So let me open a solve out the option, the price of the put option. So we can sort of first get all the inputs. S here is 70, right? The stock price is $70, and the call option is sells for $3.50. So that's C 3.50. And the exercise price is 74. So E here is 74. And then the next one is this R. R is 3%. That's the risk-free rate. And the maturity is 3 months. Again, we need to convert that into year. So we divide 3 by 12 to get the number of years for the maturity. And then going back to the formula, P equals C plus E raised to the power of negative R times T, and then times E minus S. So P equals, that's C plus the exponential function exp, open parentheses, raised to the power of negative R, and then times T, and close the parentheses here, and then times E, exercise price, and then finally minus S, minus the underlying stock price. So then we need to change the format to conform with the requirement of this question. So it's do not round to intermediate calculations and round your final answer to 2 decimal places. So we need to change this back to 2 decimal places, format cells and number, and we want to keep just 2 here. So it turns out the price of the put option with the same underlying characteristics, that means with the same exercise price, maturity, will be selling for $6.95. So we just put this number back and check our work. Good job.